Thank you for taking a brief moment to learn more about the Fusion Xperience platform. The following information is being provided as an independent overview and is not to be considered investment advice. The presenter is not a financial advisor and is providing information and opinions derived from public information and personal experience. As with any investment, do your own research before parting with your hard-earned money. Never invest more than you can comfortably do without, and always work to recoup your initial capital as quickly as possible so that your exposure is with profits and not with funds that are out of pocket. In the traditional financial markets, as well as the emerging crypto space, people have lost huge amounts of money to various platforms with devastating results and adverse effects. Fusion Xperience was designed to provide a pragmatic and sustainable remedy, with the mission statement to provide a viable, sustainable, world-class, state-of-the-art, ultra-modern, and very secure platform using innovative and emerging technologies for drastic financial freedom and a systematic financial revolution. So what is Fusion Xperience? Fusion Xperience is a world-class arbitrage trading bot. Fusion Xperience offers a highly secured, automated, real-time, live arbitrage trading platform that uses the latest in artificial intelligence technology to effectively provide maximum profitability in a sustainable manner. This is fully automated arbitrage trading. So other than the initial setup, making deposits and or withdrawals within the platform, this is a totally hands-free platform designed to compound profits that are generated daily. So what is arbitrage trading? Typically, when we think of trading, we're looking at traditional charts. Here's one for Bitcoin, for example. We typically see trading as buying low and selling high in the actual market itself. There's a lot of volatility that can actually present itself in the traditional trading model. Here you see an example of buying low and actually selling high successfully. Over here, on the other hand, a trade could be placed where we think it's going to go high and the market actually reverse and you actually lose value in the assets in which you are trading. Well, with arbitrage trading, it's a little different. You're actually buying crypto tokens or a currency in one market or exchange and selling in another market while taking advantage of the price difference in order to make your profit. For example, here you see a couple of snapshots of previous pricing between various exchanges. You can see here on Binance, and we're going to use Bitcoin as an example. On Binance, at the time of this snapshot, Bitcoin was $20,297.63. On KuCoin, it was $20,301.44. And on Kraken, it was $20,308.10. As you can see, these particular prices vary from each exchange. In another example, let's look at the BNB token. On Binance, it was listed at $331.50, KuCoin $331.42, FTX prior to their demise was $331.23, Huobi $331.06, and Poloniex $331.04. Again, each exchange has a different price for the actual token in and of itself, or coin in and of itself, because each exchange has its own traders and people that are buying and selling in their respective order books. Let's take these two for example. KuCoin $331.42, FTX $331.23. We notice a price difference of 19 cents. Now, and again, this is all being provided for conceptual and illustration purposes only, so that we make sure that we're all on the same page with understanding the concept of what arbitrage trading actually is. So if the math or numbers or something on one of these slides may not necessarily be precise or exact, please forgive me. However, I just want to make sure that you understand the concept behind what arbitrage trading is. So to further what the example that we're currently looking at, if we were to buy, let's say $2,629,000 worth of FTX coins, which would have been at that time the equivalent of 6,040 BNB tokens, we would then take those tokens that was valued at this amount and send them over to KuCoin, for example, still having 6,040 coins, and then selling those coins at KuCoin. In doing so, that would have yielded a $1,147.60 price profit from doing that transaction. Now, the average person would say, Herschel, okay, we're looking at $2,629,000 transaction, and we only made $1,147.60. That would be correct. The concept behind arbitrage trading is to do this as many times as you can using the same funds over the course of a 24-hour period, which then yields your daily profit. So for example, just an example, if we were able to do this between various exchanges, let's just say 4 times an hour over the course of a 24-hour period, this $1,147.60 would look more like $110,169.60, which in essence would have been a 5.51% profit on this capital over the course of that 24-hour period. And that is the concept and the design that Fusion Xperience has put in place with its arbitrage trading bots. They actually scan the various markets on a daily basis to actually go in and find those price differences and execute transactions. The beautiful thing about arbitrage trading in comparison to the traditional trading that we looked at is that the way they have it designed is the system scans those exchanges but will not execute a trade until it has calculated the fees necessary to make the transactions happen. So it looks at the price difference, the fees that it's going to cost before it actually executes to make sure that once the transaction is done, that an actual profit will be made. It may not be $1,147.60. It may be $600.60. At the end of the day, it's still a profit, and the more times you can do that over the course of the day, those profits continue to compound, which is how we derive at a percentage gain for the day. And it is also why there is no possible way to be told or provided an exact amount that will be earned or generated profit-wise on a daily basis, because this is happening in a real world live environment, and the prices between coins and between each exchange is going to vary on a daily basis. So the way they have everything structured is that when the profits are generated on a daily basis, it's going to be, let's consider that 100% of what's made for the day. Now, whatever that dollar amount is going to be divided up between the capital contributor, which will receive 25%. 25% will go toward company operations. 20% will go toward gas and transaction fees. And then you have another 20%, 10%, and 5% that are distributed respectively to the referrers in an upline manner with the particular program. So for an example, Let's say the bot was to make $100 profit for the day, just for simple math. This will mean that if you were the capital contributor, you would receive $25 in which you could either withdraw into your wallet and go spend it, or you could choose to allow it to stay in the platform and automatically compound until you decided you wanted to withdraw some of your profit. The person who referred you will receive $20. The person who referred them will receive $10, and the person who referred them will receive $5. Gas fees will be 20%. That will go to gas fees and other transaction fees. And then Fusion Xperience will receive $20 in operational profit for the day, which goes towards the company's operations and everything that they need to do in order to keep the platform operating and sustainable. In order to participate with the Fusion Xperience platform, anybody is eligible to that is of age, 18 years or older, is able to participate with the platform. In order to do so, to join the community, you must sign up as using a referral link provided by members of the established community. These will be shared directly from someone you know or found by searching social media in various places. Members of our community will be advertising their link in order to help continue to grow the community. Because with an arbitrage platform, the more financial resources that are actually in the system, it actually creates and allows them to actually capitalize on more opportunities in the market. So the more money that's actually in the system allows for everybody to increase their daily profit potential. So now, in order to actually participate with the Fusion Xperience platform, there is a minimum trading deposit of $10 worth of USDT TRC20. The entire platform is set up on a Tron-based smart contract, and in order to engage and participate at this present time, or at the time of launch, is going to be through a Tron Link wallet, which we'll talk more about momentarily, a Tron Link wallet utilizing USDT TRC20. Again, 25% of trading bot profits daily will go to the capital contributor. 20%, 10, and 5 will go to the referral bonuses on level 1, 2, and 3. We have instant withdrawal of funds to your wallet and local currency bank, which I will address here again in a second. When you go through the sign up process, there will be a $1 verification fee or security fee that will be refunded once you actually, pull all your funds off of the platform and decide you no longer want to be a part of the platform. You will get that dollar back. But the reason for that $1 debit card verification is for security. To make sure that only real live human beings are interacting with the platform and that there are no bots that are interjecting themselves into the system to manipulate the system, you have to go through a KYC process, which is a know your customer, and you have to do a $1 verification. That proves that you are a real person that wants to be a part of the platform. There's no need to spend any money buying bots or having to set up a virtual private server like many other programs have in the past. And you do not need to know how to trade, read charts, or markers that are commonly used in the process of trading, because everything is structured to be completely automated. Now, at the present time, Now, I mentioned a few minutes ago that the possibility of withdrawing directly into your bank account was there. However, at the time of launch, right now, deposits and withdrawals will only be able to be done utilizing USDT TRC20 and withdrawing directly into the appropriate wallet. As we move forward and the company grows, the ability to deposit using fiat currency directly from your bank account and withdrawing directly from the platform back into your bank account will be made available. However, at launch, the only way to fund your account and the only way to withdraw will be to set up a compatible wallet that can connect to and engage with the Web3 browser. And in this particular instance, it is programmed and set and is stable when using the Tron Link or Tron Link Pro wallet. So if you do not already have a Tron Link or Tron Link Pro wallet on your Android or iOS device, you also have the ability to go to tronlink.org and download the browser extension on your Mac or PC in order to engage the smart contract. In order to do so, you have to do that through a Web3 browser. For those of you that are new to cryptocurrency, we will also be providing instructional videos on how to go through that process, or you can simply get in touch with the person that shared this with you, and they will be more than happy to walk you through the setup process. The white paper and certifications for the platform, the white paper will be available on the website at the time of launch. The Fusion protocol will be fully audited following industry standards and best practices and due process as we continue to move forward. And Fusion protocol is a registered entity in the United States, Nigeria, and presently in the process of registering in other locations as well. And as we round out the overview, I wanted to share with you all of the social media addresses in the event that you want to follow the project moving forward in the future. And if you have any immediate questions, feel free to reach back out to the person that shared this with you. I'm sure they'd be more than happy to share any additional information that they may have and explain and answer any questions that you may have as well. Until next time, thank you.